Good morning, Judge, Commissioners. I appreciate the opportunity to address you today. About a week ago, I read in the paper that Commissioner Smith, Precinct 4, my commissioner, my new commissioner, has had an outstanding DWI charge dropped from a traffic incident from last year. This charge was hushed up for about 17 months until very recently when it was discovered by a journalist. The charge was dropped at a hearing in Travis County, September 16th. Court records say that Mr. Smith crashed into a vehicle on Lake Austin Boulevard on April 28th of 21, and that an officer observed that Mr. Smith had bloodshot and glassy eyes, and he was charged with driving while intoxicated. According to the arrest affidavit, Smith refused to take a breath alcohol test and blood test. Who gets to do that? Who gets to do that except a privileged politician with great connections? He misrepresented the result of his case in a newspaper article and declared his innocence was confirmed. But in fact, he copped a plea to a misdemeanor traffic violation and accepted 9 months probation. And now he must breathe into a breathalyzer before his vehicle will even fire up. He was not proven innocent, as he said, but accepted a nolo contendere result along with punishment. That is not leadership. But right around the same time Commissioner Smith was pleading no contest, he and Commissioner Jones, my former commissioner, lied in Commissioner's Court to convince the court members to spend $2.5 million on the State Highway 45 extension. This project can't go anywhere because Travis County and the Travis County Commissioner's Court oppose it. But that didn't stop Mr. Smith and Mr. Jones. On August 30th, during the Hayes County Commissioner's Court, they lied, misled the court in order to allocate $2.5 million for an engineering study for the extension that goes through Buda. When a road project crosses county lines, and I know you know this, commissioners, I'm just reminding you, when it crosses county lines, the project needs the support of the other governmental entities. It should also be included in the Campo 10-year plan. The Travis County Commissioner's Court sent you all a letter that said they did not support the project and that Jones and Smith mischaracterized conversations with them and that the project is not in the Campo 10-year plan, as they said it was in front of the court. This was not a simple misunderstanding. This was a purposeful fabrication on their part. I wonder if it is simply coincidental that a political action committee of the company that was awarded the engineering contract, CP&Y Incorporated, also donated $2,500 each to Mr. Smith and Mr. Jones. I'll wrap it up. Lying to one governmental entity about another governmental entity and then rewarding political donors seems pretty fishy to me, and I wonder if this borders on criminal conduct. What would I like you to do? I request that the contract for the study be voided and perhaps relet. Also ask Commissioner Smith and Jones to return the $2,500 donations that now seem tainted. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.